What's up, y'all, and thank you for tuning in. So one thing, I have been trying to film this introduction for like 2 minutes now. I'm still not used to vlogging, but man, it is so irritating. People just keep walking past and staring. It's like babies and crying, and ooh, I'm used to being in quiet. But anyway, I just wanted to do a really quick grocery haul with you guys that you could see what it is. I've been getting questions on like Instagram and Snapchat, basically, of people asking me, what is it that you're making? What do you put in your dishes that I make throughout the week for lunch? So I just really wanted to show you all the things that I buy for breakfast and for lunch and what I make. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. I don't think I told you, but I am at Aldi. They redid the Aldi by my house, and I didn't always like Aldi. I actually didn't start going until last year. So my friends at work actually put me on, and they're actually very inexpensive, and they have really decent prices. So like I definitely have to get some avocados. So like at a regular store like Mariano's or something, it's $2.50 an avocado. They are 89 cents here, y'all. I am so excited. I definitely have to get a pack of spinach. I do so much with spinach. It's $1.19. So I put spinach in my eggs, I put spinach in my smoothies, I put spinach in my rice dishes. So spinach goes a long way in my household. Okay guys, so I don't like bananas. I'm really not a banana person, but I use them for my smoothies. I'm not getting any today, but usually I'll get like some mandarin oranges to put in my salad. It tastes really good if you are using dates. This really can jazz the salad up. So I already have some at home, but I like to get black beans, and I also like to get corn to put in my spinach wraps when I make those, which is really good. So one thing that I like to snack on during the week is popcorn. Popcorn is a good snack, and I didn't mention to y'all, but this is like a healthy food, well, healthier food haul. I'm not gonna say I'm a saint, because I do not eat like, because when the weekend comes I eat like a beast, you know, but I try to eat healthy during the week. So like if I eat carbs, I eat like brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes. If I eat healthy every day, it wouldn't last. So this is one of my favorite things to get here at Aldi. So they're like brown rice and quinoa mixtures. So I've tried both. They're really good. One is the Tuscan grain salad, and one is the Southwest grain salad. This is so good for people who have no time during the week. So I buy these to go with my protein, whether it's chicken or fish. So you can jazz them up. You can add, you know, whatever vegetables you want. You can add whatever seasonings you want to these. I think I should stock up. The thing about Aldi is you may come in here one day and they may no longer sell something. They even have like a little cute wine section. So this is not part of my healthy grocery food haul, but if you did not see the Valentine's Day shrimp boil picnic video, then you missed out, and you should really go and watch it. You would see that I bought this wine for my picnic, y'all. $6.99, and it was good. I also need coconut water for my smoothies. So they're a little expensive, but I mean, compared to other stores, they're actually pretty decent. So I like to get, instead of using regular water, I like to use coconut water because it sweetens up my smoothie. For my meat this week, I'm going to get shrimp. Sometimes it depends. Sometimes I get chicken, sometimes I get shrimp or a different kind of fish. But luckily I already have a pack of shrimp at home, so I'm not gonna buy any today. But what I usually get, I'll get the medium shrimp raw. I'll get the veins without the tail. They don't even have the ones that I want. This has the tail on it. So yes, shrimp is good. I can put it like in my wraps. I can put it in like a stir fry. So guys, another thing that I like to get, but I'm not getting any today because I have some at home. So happy I had almost everything at home. I saved my coins. Is like a stir fry. So again, you can doctor up a stir fry however you want. So you could either get this like a stir fry and has all the vegetables in it, or you can also make it from fresh. You can buy fresh vegetables to put in a stir fry. I like to get frozen just because they last longer. When you buy fresh produce, nothing wrong with it, but like it may go bad in a few days. If I get this, I can keep this in my freezer for a few weeks and I can take it out and the vegetables will still be good. Okay guys, it is time for the smoothies. So again, I like to get frozen fruit because I can pack this in my freezer and take it out and use it whenever I want. So I like to get, so they have a lot of different options here. I like to get the mixed fruit. It has the strawberries, pineapple, mango, and peaches, and I like to mix that with blueberries. They also have a tropical blend, which I've tried this. This one is really good too. It has pineapple, mango, strawberries, and papaya. So I will be using about a cup of frozen fruit. So I purchased this at Aldi. It has pineapple, peaches, pears, and blueberries. I will be using a half of an avocado. So avocado really doesn't do anything in terms of flavor, but it does make the smoothie more creamy. I will be using 1 banana. I will also be using coconut water. So like I said earlier, I like to use coconut water versus regular water just because it does help the sweetness in the smoothie. I will also be using organic chia seeds. So chia seeds, if you put a lot in, they do really thicken up the smoothie. So I only use maybe like a teaspoon of chia seeds. They have a lot of benefits. So chia seeds deliver a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. They are also loaded with antioxidants, and almost all the carbs in them are fiber, which is good. And I will be using spinach. So the good thing about smoothies is you can pretty much put whatever you want in them. So the purpose of a smoothie for me is basically just to give me my dose of, you know, fruits for the day. Some people actually use a smoothie as a meal replacement, which you could do as well. It really just depends on what you put in your smoothie. So for breakfast, I have my smoothie and I also have a bar. So this week I have a fruit and grain strawberry bar. For lunch, I have my brown rice, quinoa, and shrimp dish. For a snack, I have popcorn and I have clementines. So it changes pretty often because I get tired of the same thing really quickly. But that pretty much sums up my work, lunch, and breakfast routine, y'all. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And also hit the bell so you're notified each time I post a video. Thanks for watching.